In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning Ghibli-style art using Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Exploring the whimsical, vibrant worlds of Studio Ghibli films is a dream for many artists and fans. With the powerful Google Gemini tool, you can bring a piece of that magic into your own artwork without requiring advanced artistic skills. First things first, let's get started with the basics. If you don't already have access to Google Gemini, head over to the website or download the mobile app. You'll need to sign in using your Google account, which is a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be logged in and ready to start creating. Once you're all set up, you'll want to focus on crafting a detailed and descriptive text prompt. This step is crucial, as it influences the outcome of your artwork significantly. Think about what you want to depict in that enchanting Ghibli style. For example, you might say, create an image in Ghibli style, showing a girl waiting at the bus stand, in pastel and warm color tones. By being specific and descriptive, you ensure that the AI understands your vision. Ghibli's signature features include soft pastels, whimsical elements, and lush green landscapes, along with painterly textures that evoke a sense of wonder. Make sure to incorporate these features into your prompt as you type it out. After you've written your prompt, it's time to submit it. Click on the appropriate button to send your request to the Google Gemini AI. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, it may take a moment for the AI to process your request. This is a great opportunity to take a deep breath and imagine the artwork coming to life. Once the processing is complete, you'll be greeted with a digital rendition of your request, infused with that distinctive Ghibli charm. Now comes the exciting part, downloading your creation. There should be a clear option to download your generated artwork. Just click that button, and your masterpiece will be saved to your device. Feel free to showcase your art, whether you want to share it on social media or print it out for your room. It's a fantastic feeling to have turned your ideas into a visual representation, especially in a style as beloved as Ghibli. You might want to experiment and try different prompts to see how various themes and descriptions yield different artistic results. There's no right or wrong way to create. It's all about exploring and having fun with your creative expression. Remember to keep your prompts varied and imaginative, perhaps even incorporating characters or scenes inspired by your favorite Ghibli films. As you dive deeper into the world of Ghibli-style artwork with Google Gemini, don't hesitate to explore the app further. There are various features and tools within the platform that might enhance your overall experience. Play around with different settings or styles offered within the app and see how they align with your artistic vision. Creating art doesn't just have to be about outputting a perfect image. It's also about enjoying the process and expressing yourself. So, take your time, enjoy wielding your creativity, and let Google Gemini assist you in forming beautiful, Ghibli-inspired pieces of art that you can cherish. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. I hope you have a fantastic time bringing a touch of Ghibli magic to your creations using Google Gemini. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tutorials just like this one. Happy creating!